dream I know, deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
The following are the news of today. The former Senate President Chief Ahmed Ebute has attributed the crisis rocking the All Progressive Congress APC in Benue State. Next after this, we have the Federal High Court freezes Kano State government account over 30 billion compensation. Hello viewers, welcome to Reality Latest Gist, your home of news and politics. Thank you all so much for joining. If this is your first time of watching, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when next we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trending and latest news happening on social media. You can send in your comments and keep the conversation lively in our comment section. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you all so much for joining. The former Senate President Chief Ahmed Ebute attributed to the crisis rocking the All Progressive Congress APC in Benue State to fight over who should be recognized as the leader of the party in the state. The crisis has continued to linger because the attempt by others of the party to broker peace was rebuffed by the concerned parties. Chief Ebute, who made this known on Wednesday while speaking with newsmen in Makurdi, lamented that the action of the feuding parties who refused to submit themselves to a peace meeting by a party elders was at variance with the norm in politics. The former Senate president, who did not mention the names of those at the center of the fight, said that the aim of their meeting was to broker peace and the people between which should make peace are adamant and they don't want to accept their decision. And that is a big departure from politics that he's used to. Because in every organization, he said that there must be discipline for progress to be made. So in that case, they must exercise some level of restraint and instill respect among the rank and file of the party. So he cannot imagine that eminent members of a political party met with the governor and called on people to come to the table for discussion, and they refused. He was surprised. So now he's telling us that the problem of the party APC in Benue State is that of leadership of the party. Who is the leader of the party in Benue State? That is the main issue. The whole issue boils down to who is the leader of the party in Benue State. And he is sure that before the end of the month, the party at the national level will make a pronouncement as to who is the leader of the party to the states. But what is the position in other states of the federation where they have a governor in power? The governor of that state is the leader of the party in the state. But in Benue State, they are refusing. So this is what has been causing crisis in Benue State, and nobody wants to accept that, and they don't want peace. Honestly, APC is something else. They have been, bringing one rules or the other. They don't want to step down for other person to take over. Everybody in that party just wants to be a leader. So guys, let me know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Moving on to the next one. The Federal High Court sitting in Abuja has granted a garnish order freezing not fewer than 24 banks accounts belonging to the Kano State government over 30 billion compensation to incorporated trustee of Masalachi the Shop Owners and Traders Association for demolition of their shops in the state. Justice I.E. Eko granted the order in a suit filed before the court by the shop owners and traders over the demolition of their shop, which they describe as an illegal action carried out by the state in June 2023. The order was contained in a copy of the certified through copy of the ruling delivered on November 28, 2023, and that was signed by the registrar, Choma Chijoke, and it was made available to the newsmen on Wednesday. The order which reached that the garnish Nisi is hereby made attaching the fund, that is the present and the future of Kano State government, Kano State Urban Planning Development Authority, and Attorney General of Kano State, including but limited to Kano State account, and account number was given of UBA and Polaris Bank and other accounts in the custody of the respective Kanishi to the tune of 30 billion in satisfaction of the judgment of the Federal High Court sitting in Kano State, which was dated the 29th September 2023, herein being enforced in favor of the judgment creditors. The order is hereby made granting the sum of 2 million only Being the cause of the garnishing proceeding, the garnishing herein are hereby ordered to appear before the courts to show cause, if any, maybe why the order needs should not be made absolute against them. The judge, Justice Eko, said that the judgment creditors should serve the defendants and garnishers at least 14 days before the next date of hearing. The court, however, adjourned the case to 18th January 2024 for garnishes to showcase. You guys can recall the time when the incorporated trustee of Masalashi Idi Shop Owners and Traders Association earlier dragged the state government before Federal High Court sitting in Kano, where the court ruled in their favor and order for the sum of 30 billion to be paid to the shop owners as compensation. So that is what has happened now. I think the federal governments are refusing to pay the money to those shop owners. That was why the court has to freeze most of their accounts belonging to the government until they'll do so. Well, thank God that they've been able to answer them, because compared to other states, I don't think things will be done in a rightful manner if it happens to be in other states. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Let's keep the conversation lively in our comment section. Once again, thank you all so much for staying tuned with us. We really do appreciate. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and also subscribe, share, and don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified when next we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next. Stay safe, guys. Bye.
You know, this process has been on for a very long time, even before the election. We have drawn the attention of the government of Nigeria about the potential crisis, anarchy in Kogi State, even before the election. We have written comprehensive report or letters to the entire service chief, to the president and commander-in-chief. We predicted these possibilities of creating a very terrible environment, which took place. And of course, after the election, or on the day of the election, one of the INEC sensitive materials was leaked, to which we raised that observation very strongly, and INEC acted on some of them. The entire central of Kogi resort sheet was compromised. We raised a petition to INEC to cancel those 3 local governments that were affected. They promised to work on it. They end up cancelling 1 local government, 9 wards out of the 10, and few polling units in Okene, Okehi, and Adavi. And of course, the results were uploaded. Despite INEC have cancelled some of the polling units, they still uploaded those results, which we protested against. Be that as it may, they went.